Today we're here to talk about how you put on the Breg PolarCare Wave pads. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the application process for the body part that you need to use the wave pads on. So let's jump right into it and learn how to use these pads. Once you get your pad in the mail, either if you ordered it separately or with your wave cooler, a couple things you want to do right from the start. There's a sticker on the front, and this is going to tell you the exact pad that you ordered. In this case, this is the universal pad for the wave. The part number is C00016. Now we're going to show you how to put on the universal pad. Just a quick reminder, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us and help us create content for you. Now let's get back to the video.
So this is the universal pad for the Breg PolarCare Wave system. This pad can be used on the knee, hip, or shoulder. And typically you would use it on the hip or shoulder if the regular pads are a bit too large for you or if you're a more petite person. And because this pad is used for different body parts, it's going to come with several different straps. And on the straps, you're going to see this piece here, which is adjustable. So you can move it up or down to make it shorter or longer. Also, keep in mind before you connect the hoses, there is a symbol on the Breg pads. You're going to need to match those symbols up before you connect them, and that makes sure that they are going the right way. So, to start off, we're going to place the pad on the hip.
And you use it with the hose down?
That's correct. Then we're going to connect one side of our long strap, bring it around. And this is where you're going to pull it through this little nook and tighten it to where it is comfortable on you. Next, you're going to do the bottom strap. This part is going to go around your thigh area. And when you have it in place, it should look something like this. Once you've done that, go ahead and connect your hoses. Of course, match up the Breg symbols. When you fasten them, you should hear that little click. That lets you know they're secure. Once you've done that, you're ready to plug in your system and begin your therapy.
Now that you know how to put on your Breg PolarCare Wave pads, click on our next video up here in the corner and it's going to show you the unboxing of the Breg PolarCare Wave. Now let's get back in motion.